Greetings, Internet. Chuck Riffenberg here, founder and co-president of Rogue Herbalist, LLC. We're deep in the woods of Vermont here on this beautiful June day. You can see we found a glorious colony of Ganoderma tsugae, named tsugae for the hemlock that they grow on. This is probably one of the prettiest stands of reishi that I've found in my life. What do you think, Tom? You said the same.
I absolutely agree. These are prime condition, prime potency.
So we're here in the woods now to harvest. We've already harvested one colony earlier, but this is really the cream of the crop here. We wanted to show you all a little bit of what we do. So the process by which we'll be going through this is we harvest the mushrooms at peak potency. We'll be slicing and drying them. Ideally, we want to dry them in the sun for absorption of the vitamin D, or the manufacture of vitamin D, I should say. But these guys will go through a two-phase extraction, a dual extraction we call it, whereby some mushroom will be extracted in 95% organic cane alcohol for the extraction of terpenes and other alcohol-soluble constituents, and then some of the other mushrooms will be extracted in water through a slow decoction, a slow boil, in our patent-pending reverse osmosis maple water extraction technique, which to my knowledge is the only herbal company in the world that does such a technique, whereby we use the water that was flowing in the trees to cook the mushrooms in. So these two extractions will then be combined for a maximum potency extraction. And really a superb medicine and tonic. Thank you very much, and stay tuned for more.